If the pipe diameter does not match the flange kit size, choose a repair method that creates a secure, pressure-rated seal rather than forcing parts together. Start by measuring both the outside diameter of the pipe and the inside diameter the flange kit expects using a caliper or a firm measuring tape. Then compare those numbers to the flange kit specifications printed on the packaging or product sheet. For pipes that are slightly smaller than the flange, I recommend using a twist and set flange with an adjustable rubber ring because the rubber sleeve compresses to fill gaps and the metal clamp secures the seal. Tighten incrementally while checking alignment to avoid deforming the pipe. If the pipe is slightly larger, consider specialty repair flanges made for oversized pipes, which include split bolt or segmented flanges that bolt around the pipe without cutting it, and hand thread each bolt in sequence to draw the segments evenly. For larger mismatches, a short sleeve coupling or a custom machined adapter can restore proper diameters. Ensure the inside surface is smooth and free of burrs, and use thread sealant or approved gasket material to match system pressure ratings. Always consult the pressure rating and material compatibility for the flange, gasket, and pipe to prevent galvanic corrosion or chemical attack. Stainless steel, brass, and rubber each behave differently in varied media and temperatures. If the repair sits in a concealed or buried location, consider using mechanical fittings rated for that environment and document the repair with photos and measurements for future inspections. Common mistakes include forcing a rigid flange onto an undersized pipe, which leads to gaps and leaks, and the fix is to stop and select an adjustable sleeve or a correct size adapter rather than tightening harder. Another frequent error is ignoring pressure and material compatibility, which can cause premature failure. Read product specifications and match pressure rating and material to the system and fluid. A third issue is uneven tightening of segmented flanges that results in distorted seals. Hand thread all bolts first, then torque in a star pattern to the manufacturer recommended values and recheck after the system reaches operating temperature. BigHomeProjects.com is our site for homeowners and contractors to connect over projects like pipe and flange repairs. We help homeowners find local contractors, and we help contractors find work. And we also host a discussion community where users share tips, photos, and experience-based advice.